What's up YouTube? It's Jeff and I'm back with, new series. It's been a while since those, right? For some reason I thought it was a great idea a couple days ago to buy a juicer. So yeah, I'm going to make some juice and probably do this every week. Make this a new installment for Saturdays. And I bought this juicer right here. It is the VonShef 700 watt. I'll show you the wonderful box I got from Amazon. I think it was like 58 bucks. That's what it looks like. Way too close. Yeah, 700 watts, got 2 speeds. There's a picture of it for the manual. Washed it all up, so we're ready to go. This recipe I got from, I believe his name's Drew Canoli. He has Fit Life TV. If you look him up, I'm sure plenty of stuff shows up for different juices and whatnot. So you can check out his channel, and yeah, like I said, probably do this every Saturday. Just pick a random juice and make it. In this recipe, it's a half a beet, 2 carrots, cucumber, half a cucumber, watercress, half a pear, right here, right there, lemon, whole lemon, and Swiss chard and red cabbage. This one's the red Swiss chard and the purple cabbage. I feel like this thing is going to be super loud, so I'll probably just put some music over when I'm putting it in there. And then I'll check back with you guys when it's all blended up or juiced up. Sorry, I don't want to use the wrong term. Juiced up, and first taste test of this wonderful concoction I'm going to make. Alright, here we go. Alright, so this looks delicious already. Cap back on there. I didn't realize how strong it was. That pear, or not the pear, the beet almost came popping back up. But hey, this is the first time I'm using it, so yeah. Trial and error. Put that cap on there so it doesn't leak everywhere. And here we go. That just looks delicious, doesn't it? Don't even need that. Oh yeah. Really get that deliciousness. Alright, so this is going to be delicious, right? Can only hope. So, cheers. First taste test, so if it's disgusting, you guys get the first reaction. So here we go. Cheers. Really isn't that bad. I definitely drink this probably every day. Pretty much has the consistency of like a protein shake when you blend it all up with like whey and stuff like that, so I'm used to those. Not much difference from that. Yeah. So cheers. Yeah, it's not as bad as everyone was making it out to be. I definitely recommend these for anyone that wants to get into juicing. I can't remember if I told you the price on this. Is 58 bucks on Amazon with free shipping if you have Amazon Prime. So you get it in 2 days and 58 bucks. Seems like it does a good job. It's not, no real chunks in there or anything like that. And seems like a solid juicer to me for 58 bucks. You can't really go wrong with think. It had really good reviews on Amazon. I kept looking at different ones, and this seemed like the best one for your money to not, waste a whole lot if, I didn't get into juicing and thought this was disgusting. And yeah. So if you want to see these videos every Saturday, leave a comment down below. If you have any juicing recipes you want to share, let me know. Like I said, that Drew Cannoli, he has an Amazon book. I think it's like $2.99. I'm going to be trying a bunch from there. Some of them look pretty good, so yeah. I'll check back with you guys on the next video. See ya.